Hey guys, 𝐏𝐫𝐸 here from Get Fixed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the benefits of an electric car. Let's get started.
Get fixed. Let's get it.
The first benefit is reduced fuel costs. So it's going to cost you a lot less to fuel up your Tesla car versus a combustion engine, and here's why. It ranges anywhere from $13 to $18 to fully charge your Tesla vehicle. Whereas if you're going to fill up your combustion engine vehicle, it's going to cost anywhere from $40 to like $80 to fill it up, depending on what type of gas you're using. Benefit number 2 is that an electric vehicle requires less maintenance. Think about it. All you have is a motor, battery, tires, and an ECU to tell the components exactly what to do. In a combustion engine, you have your timing chain, your intake and exhaust sprocket, your fuel injectors, your spark plugs, your camshaft. There's a whole bunch of moving parts that you have to account for if they go bad. Whereas in an electric vehicle, there isn't much to diagnose besides the brain of your car, which is the ECU, your motor, your tires, and some other little components here and there. But it's not crazy like a combustion engine. Benefit number 3, quiet operation. All you have is a motor in there. No catalytic converter deletes, no exhaust deletes. We're not doing none of that here. Basically, what that means is less noise pollution. Benefit number 4, energy efficiency. Where a combustion engine is going to waste a lot of energy in order to do the intake, the compression, the combustion, the exhaust. It takes a lot of work to do all that because there's so much moving parts in this process. An electric vehicle doesn't have to waste that much energy doing all that. It's just the ECU telling power to come from the battery to the motor. That's basically it. And last but not least, number 5, home charging convenience. When you have an electric vehicle, you don't have to go out to the gas station all the time and charge it. You can do it at home while you're asleep. So when you wake up, you have about 300 miles on the vehicle. So it's not necessary for you to go out to a charging station and charge your vehicle unless you're taking long trips. But that is the benefit of an electric vehicle. You don't have to constantly visit the gas station all the time. You can just do it at home. There you have it, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, 𝐏𝐫𝐸 here from Get Fixed, and I'm out. Peace.
Let's get it.